We're getting our first reaction now to President Barack Obama's appointment of Judge Sonia Sotomayor as the justice to replace David Souter on the Supreme Court. Our overnight poll shows reaction more positive than negative. 47% of Americans say their first reaction is that it was an excellent or good choice. Just 33% say it was only fair or poor. Let's look at some context here. We did similar quick reaction polls after George W. Bush appointed Samuel Alito, Harriet, Miers, and John Roberts for the Supreme Court back in 2005. The reaction to Roberts was just a little more positive than the current reaction to Sotomayor. Both of those, Roberts and Sotomayor, got more positive reactions than did Miers or Alito, but generally reaction to these last four justices, their nominations, the announcement of their nominations, more positive than negative. Needless to say, there are big political differences. You can see the numbers in front of you there between 7 and 8 out of 10 Americans who identify with the same party as the nominating president generally say that the appointment he made was excellent or good. That's true for the current appointment among Democrats of Sotomayor by Obama, but it was also true among Republicans for Bush's appointment of Alito, Miers, and John Roberts. Of course, those with positive reactions among the opposite party, that would be Republicans currently, Democrats for the three Bush appointments, much more negative. We did ask a series of interesting questions about the current appointment of Sotomayor by President Barack Obama. What motivated it? Do you think, we asked the public, that the following characteristics of Sotomayor was a very important consideration in Obama's decision to appoint her? And well, the American public says pretty straightforwardly they think the most important considerations for Obama were not her demographic characteristics, but her intellect, her experience, and her previous decisions. You see the numbers in front of you, a majority, in some cases a significant majority, say those were very important to Obama. Much less than half of Americans say that Obama thought that her gender and her ethnic origin were very important factors in his decision to nominate her. I'm Dr. Frank Newport, editor-in-chief of the Gallup poll.